Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to show your FPS and ping in Fortnite. As you can see here, up in the right you can see my FPS, and on the left you can see my ping. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So let's get started. First you should go to the settings and go to video, then go to advanced graphics and make sure that this option here is on. As you can see, it was off, but you should make it on, then click on apply. And now in order to show your ping, all you have to do is to go to game UI, then go to HUD options and go down till you find this option right here, net debug stats. All you have to do is to turn it on, then click on apply. Now as you can see here, my FPS is on the upper right part of my screen and the ping is on the upper left side of my screen. And that's all. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.